Let's talk about another a bit not that it's not that focused on. Some people do forget this one, but this is Pogostemon Stelatus Octopus. It might not be as famous as Hygrophila varieties or Cabamba, Limnophila, Rutala, other similar stem plants. It does get overlooked a bit, but this is, in my experience, equally as easy to grow as any other stem plant varieties, the low-tech ones. Obviously, like all plants, it would do better in high-tech conditions, but it does absolutely fine in low-tech ones as well, and it also grows really tall. Like it could pass 3 feet. Sorry, not 3 feet. I mean around 24 inches, 12 to 24 inches easily. Anyhow, I have some planted over here, and it provides that really wavy sort of and contrast to the tank, which looks really nice. I mean, have a look at this thing. Doesn't that look amazing? And the fish really love it. Plus, it looks really fascinating when especially when the water is flowing and you notice the leaves moving back and forth. I mean, unlike this portion, it doesn't get any water flow, so it's not looking as good. But I've made a tank in the past, and it looked absolutely stunning when it was positioned around the power head. Anyhow, so it is a stem plant. I mean, you can propagate it in a similar fashion to how you would propagate most other stem plants. I mean, just cut it right below a node from the portion where the leaves are growing, like for example over here. You remove the lower section of you remove the leaves around that node, and then you would just basically plant this section right into the substrate. All right, I don't have any substrate over here, and I don't think I have many free spaces where I can demonstrate, but let's just try planting it right here. So as you can see, I'm just gonna press it down gently, and yeah, it's not very clear, is it? But I mean, that's how you plant it, and it does absolutely well. It grows really well. It does just fine, and um, it would it grows at the same speed as most other basic stem plants, so you should definitely give this one a shot. It's not as difficult as people claim it to be. I mean, this is, I believe, one of those plants that has sort of a bad reputation for being difficult. I don't know why that is the case, because on my end I always get really good results from this one.